Okay guys, we are here at Eureka Treasure Train. It's one of the locket links. We are going to try doing some low budget slots and see how we do. We're going to start out here with 10 cents. I have $50 loaded up in the machine. And yeah, we're going to start out on minimum bet. I think the most I'm going to do is 2 times multiplier. We might switch around denominations, just see how it's doing. So let's give it a go. Now I did see where a lot of people are giving it 3 spins. If you don't get a return, you move up your bet or change denomination. So far, we're getting a return, so we're going to keep going with that. Okay, so that was 3 dead spins, so we're going to try to go up. And so close. All right, let's go back down. Ooh. I've never seen the gold ones before. Of course, I don't play this very much. Well, I think we're past our 3 dead spins, so we're going to go back up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we got a bonus. Let's see what happens here. So Dynamite feature 5 free spins, or we can do the wild bonus with 12 free games. I think we're going to go with the 5 free spins. I've seen this online, and I kind of like the Dynamites. That might be. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to spin it. So I think that was a good start. We can just get them to match up. Like I said, I think I've played this once, but I've never gotten a bonus on it. We need dynamite. Okay, so that might be all right. And then we have 1 spin left, so we really need some more dynamites. And those didn't connect, I guess, to anything. But hey, that's still not bad. And we get to do this. The mini is available. The mini is $10. All right. Not a bad little bonus. Hey, $15. Doing good. Okay. All right, that wasn't too bad for 1 cent denom, $1.20 bet. Okay, so we are already back up. We're going to try to do those 3 spins. All right, we'll go back down to 60 cents. Oh, come on. Hey, look at that. Okay. And we got 4 of those. I don't know what that means. Okay, so still 5 free spins or 12 free games. Well, I like the dynamites, so we're going with the dynamites. Give us a bunch of them. All right. All right, gotta get these to line up. go. 1, 2. Oh, come on. Okay, that's good. Give us more. Come on, we want more, more, more. All right, and one more. Okay. We'll see what this is like at minimum bet. 60 cents. Oh, touch to play. Up to 20 cards. The minor is available. It is $50. Keep them going. Give us some more of those big. Oh, okay. Still not bad for a 60-cent bet. Okay, so 25.55. All right, we're gonna keep it going. Already up to 121, so that's good. And that was 3 dead ones, so we'll go back to 120. Oh, come on. What is that gold? I don't know what the gold is. Okay, go back to 60. Those gold nuggets are showing up a lot. Maybe if we get the free spins again, that's what we're going to have to pick. Okay, so we're getting wins, so we're going to keep this going. Every time we get a win, we're starting over our count. Okay, that was 3 dead ones. That's still a dead one. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what happens if we go to 2 cent and play. Well, I don't want to go up to 240. We'll just try a couple of minimum bet, which is 120. Okay, we'll go back down. All right, and we'll try our 120 again. Don't die. Try this a couple of more times. Oh, come on. You were being so nice to me. All right. So I think once we get down here, I'm just going to play it down. 2 more spins to 100. And we doubled up, so I think we're going to cash that out. And we will go see if we can't find something in a not so crowded area. A little difficult to do tonight, but I'm going to give it a shot. Surely I will find something. Okay, guys, I managed to find a lightning dollar link. Still going to do the same thing, start out on minimum bet. I did load up another $50 in free play. Minimum bet here for 100 lines is $1. And then, okay, so I didn't mean to do that, but 50 lines is 50 credits. So maybe we'll just kind of bounce around between those. We'll start on the 50 lines. maybe kind of see which one is better here. So that was a dead spin. So we're going to give it 3 more. And another. I've never played this one before. So let's try $1. Okay, nothing. Another dead spin. Okay, and that's a dead spin. What is that? 250. Okay, so we'll start our 3 over. Oh, okay. I think that was 2. I lost count. I got distracted. Okay, so we'll go back down. And try one more. Ah, major. That would have been 588. Okay, I think one more. I get distracted then forget where I'm at. Come on. No. Those are some big coins though. Let's keep going. See if we can't stimulate this machine to do something. Still a dead spin. Okay, let's try this one more and then we'll go to 2 cents. Alright, seems to like this bet a little bit better. Mini. I didn't know it could do that. I might like this better than Dragon Link. Okay, so we're going to go to the games menu, go to 2 cent, and, well, we'll try $1. Oh, no, I tried $2. My bad. That's because we're on 100 lines. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, start over. Okay, why don't we do this? Go to the 1 cent. Let's try the 100 lines. Let's try that. So minimum bet is $1. Okay, so we'll start over. And that was a dead spin, so this will be 3. And then let's just go up to $2. All right, back down. Okay, I'm not liking this, so let's go back to the 50 lines. I feel like those did better. Dead spin. We need some coins. Let's try this one time. Go up to 150. No. Okay, we'll go back down to 50. Oh, I spin so fast I didn't even see what that was. A couple more spins here. All right, last spin. I'm going to go ahead and cash this out. And we will go see if we can't find something else. Okay, so I found a new machine. This one might be old to a lot of you, but it is new to me. This is a machine by Ainsworth. Looked pretty perfect for me. It's called Quack Pot, and it has a crazy bonus. So we're gonna do this, and it also is good for low budget. It starts out, minimum bet is 30 cents. You can go up to 5 times your bet, which is $1.50. I did do an accidental spin here, but I did put $50 in the machine. So we are going to stick with the same method I was using, or I've been using tonight. So we're going to do 3 spins on 30 cents. And that is 14 cents, which is a dead spin. And we're going to move up. This is 60 cents. Uh, 24 cents. So hey, that might be something. It's kind of touchy here if you hit the button. So, okay, 80 cents. So we'll start again. All right, and we'll go up to 90 cents. Nothing there. And this one you cannot change the denomination on. So let's try 120. And we'll max bet it at $1.50. Hey, what's that? 90 cents. So that was, yeah, this machine's real touchy if you don't let it pay out, and you can't just tap it to see what you were paid. Let's see. Okay, that was 3, so we're going to go back down. Okay, maybe I don't like this machine. Okay, 60 cents, so we'll start over. And we're just going to go up one more time. If we don't get anything, we might just find a different machine. I did want to give it a go. It looks kind of like a silly game. Yeah, I'm not even going to go to the $1.50. We're just going to try a couple more here. 6 cents. Yeah, not as good as I hoped it would be. Okay, so that was half, and we really didn't get anything. So let's just go find a different machine. I found another locket link. This one is Nightlife. We are going to start out on 1 cent denomination. Minimum bet here is, looks like 50 cents, goes all the way up to $5. We are not going to do that. We're going to stick somewhere between 50 and $1.50, and we might go up to 2 cents and try that at, I think it was $1. So let's just see if this locket link is good to us. Okay, 20 cents. A little bit of something, but not quite our bet. The mini here is $10. It's, oh, what's that? Nothing. The minor is $50. It has a major of 48,000 and a grand of 14,000. So getting little kickbacks, but not quite our bet back. Okay, so $3. So we'll start over again at this level here. $1.50. Nope. All right, so we'll start over. Oh, do it? No, but 90 cents, so we're gonna keep going. Grab those coins or something. Okay, so we're gonna go again. Another 3. Oh. Okay, 90 cents. Okay, let's go. I lost count. They're announcing stuff over the intercom, and I'm trying to listen to them and play. Okay, so that was more than our bet. So we're gonna go 3 more. Bonus would be really nice here. Nope, back down to 50 cents. Come on. No. Okay, starting over. Oh, do something. No. All right, let's go through another round of these. Oh, there we go. That would be something, and that's on a $1.50 bet, so maybe that'll be good for us. We shall see. I have not played this before, so I don't know what the best option is here. If you guys know the best option, please let me know. But I feel like this is a lock-it link, so we're going to go with the lock-it feature. And maybe it will be good for us. I don't know. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like the hold and spin then. So you got 3 spins remaining. I think it's like the hold it, yes. So it resets. Give us a lot of hearts. Okay. Come on, we want hearts. There we go. So that's going to reset again. I'm on, baby. Oh, nice. Okay. And these all keep going up, it looks like. Very nice. It's gonna be pretty good, guys. I mean, for $1.50 bet. I wonder if it can put like a what are like minors or minis in there. Surely it can. All right. Last bit if we don't get a heart. I figured that was the end. That did pretty good. So I like that. I like how each heart would increase every time it connected. So, hey, $75. Can't beat that on $1.50 bet. 83, I do believe. I can never keep track. This kind of adds it does add the free play unless you're really concentrating, and that's hard for me to do. So, I think I have about $25 left, so we'll go find one more machine. Okay, guys, last machine. Looks like this is Everlasting Fortunes. I've never played this one either. Minimum bet here is 88 cents. So not really sure what this game does, but we shall find out together. So I'm going to start out on 88 cents. Still sticking with the pre-spin method. Okay, so that was good. All right, $12. So we'll do 3 more on that one. And I really don't want to go up to the 264, so we're going to stick between these two. And let me see here. I think, yeah, we can go 2-cent denom, and that would be it's like 176. So let's try that. Just kind of bounce around here. That was a dead spin. Give this a couple spins. Not going to try too hard. I am trying to cash out all my winnings tonight. Anything? No. Well, that's just too bad. So we'll give, and I think we'll do one more. Well, we'll just do 3 just to see. Okay. And that should be all of the winnings. So not too bad. Came in with, oops, sorry. Kicked the camera. We came in tonight with $200 in free play, and we should be leaving with 196, and we did not spend anything. So that is a good night. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment in the sections below. I'd love to hear machines that you guys have played or different methods you like to use. If there's any machine you'd like to see me play, please let me know.